welcome to a new vlog. If you're new to the channel, I'm Sarah, the other half of Adult Disney is Jeff, and right now we are at the Hilton Tokyo Bay, which is going to be just outside of the Tokyo Disney Resort. This is one of the partner resorts where you are a very short walk to the monorail. In this resort review, we'll share all the different amenities here at this hotel, we'll share a room tour, and we'll also show you that kind of distance between the hotel and that monorail station. We cannot wait to share it all with you, and it's time for an adventure. The Hilton Tokyo Bay is very conveniently located. It is in a group of hotels that are located just outside of the Bayside Station monorail stop. For comparison, right there on the left is the Tokyo Disney Toy Story Hotel, and as you can see, the Hilton Tokyo Bay is located directly next door to it. Here you can also see that there is parking on site that is available. The parking is an additional cost, but if you do have a car with you, it is convenient that it is located right here. When you walk into the hotel, we have check-in just on the main floor. And with the rooms, they have standard hotel rooms, which is what we are in here. There are also different themed rooms, as well as suites that are available. When you first walk in, the bathroom is going to be located here on the left, and they do have a shower and tub combination. There is also the toilet here, and then the counter space with a large mirror. So the large mirror is very helpful for getting ready. They do also provide some toothpaste and toothbrushes for you to use during your stay. And then there is the single sink, and directly next to the sink there is both lotion as well as soap that is provided. Just across from the bathroom, there is another very large full-length mirror, which is again helpful for getting ready. And directly next to that is a storage space, so you can put your bags there. There is also some storage down below. And in the main room, you have the TV along the wall with a narrow counter-style table. There is one seat that is available there. And then across from it, they have a sofa-style lounger right there next to the window. And then our room has the two beds in it, so you have the two beds separated with the phone in the middle there. And then if I keep turning a little bit to the left, you can have an idea of what the room is like looking back towards the door where you enter into the room. Also, just to give you an idea of what the room looks like with a little bit of a wider lens, here is a full overview of the room. Again, you can see the two beds there. The window, I will show you the view out of there in just a second. But overall, it's a really nice space. In the room, they do also provide some amenities. So in the shower, you have body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. There is a hot tea kettle as well as a pitcher where if you want to go collect filtered water, that is also available in the hallway from a machine. And then they do also have some tea and coffee that is provided. And directly below here, there is also a mini fridge. So having the mini fridge here is really nice. There is also a safe that is provided, so if you'd like to store anything in there during your stay, that is available. And then there is some additional storage, including the hangers here, so if you want to hang some of your items, you also have that. And here's an idea of our view outside of our hotel. So our room was on a pretty high floor, and this is just an idea of the view during the day. You can see the monorail pulling into Bayside Station right there, and the Fantasy Springs Hotel in the distance. And this is an idea of the view at night, so both of them are really pretty. One of the main perks of this hotel is how easy it is to get to the theme parks. You will go right to this monorail station, take the monorail to either the Disney Sea theme park or the Disneyland theme park. For getting to the monorail, you can exit the hotel right here, and if you'd like to walk, there is a short walk, so it took us maybe only 5 to 10 minutes to walk down this path and get right to this station here, which is the Bayside Monorail Station. Just as an idea, you'll just walk across that street, and then here is that sidewalk I was just showing down from the hotel. So it's incredibly easy and convenient. If you do not want to walk or you prefer to take a shuttle bus, there is a complimentary shuttle bus that will run on loops, so you could do that instead of walking if you'd like to use that to get down to the monorail. And here's just an idea of what that bus looks like pulling in. When it comes to amenities, this hotel did have a lot to offer. There is a really large fitness center space, and the fitness area is going to include everything from cardio to weight training machines, so there's a big variety. There also is an indoor pool, as you can see here. There also is an outdoor pool available. There are separate rooms that you have that you could do stretching or yoga or other type of classes in. And in addition to this main fitness area, there also is a full service spa. So if you would like any spa treatments, you could also arrange to have those done either before your arrival, or you can arrange those once you arrive. The majority of these shops and restaurants can be found on the main floor of the hotel, and I will say that this hotel does have a pretty good variety of options. The place that we probably went to the most is Fresh Connection, and here this shop is going to have some items that are grab and go. So they have everything from salads to fried rice to sandwiches, and you can take the items cold, or if you prefer something to be heated up, they can also do that for you. And directly across from this space there is a coffee stand, so if you want a coffee, they do also have some gelato. You can come here and grab something, very convenient, quick grab and go. Then the main, or one of the main dining areas, is the square. So in here you'll have a buffet that is available. This was the main place we went to for breakfast. Along this side there is also some really nice windows and a bar, so if you want to come and sit and have a coffee or have a drink later in the afternoon, that is also available. And here's a look at kind of the seating with all the guests in here for when we were down for breakfast. But I will say that the breakfast buffet did have a really big variety of food. So it had everything from some congee to some dumplings to corn soup. And then they had more traditional French toast and croissants. So a really big variety of food. Dynasty is going to be one of the nicer sit-down restaurants. This is going to be a Chinese menu where you can go and have a sit-down meal if you would like. And then lastly, you have Lounge O, which one of the most popular things here is going to be the dessert buffet that they have in the afternoons. If you're looking to do some shopping, there is a Disney store that is located right in the hotel. And this shop is going to have a lot of the same merchandise that you would find inside the theme parks. So if you'd like to just grab a last minute souvenir or not have to carry some of the merchandise through your time in the theme parks, this is really nice and convenient to have right inside the hotel for you. There's also a Lawson located in the hotel, which is more of a convenience store, so if you want something that is grab and go from there, that is also available. You can purchase your Disney park tickets in the hotel. This is going to be located near where the check-in counter is. And then this is also going to be where you can get information if you would like to arrange a seat on the bus. So they do have bus service that will take you directly to both the Haneda and the Narita airport. So that's very easy and convenient. The bus will pick you up just outside of the hotel, and it's our preferred way to get between the airports and this hotel. I want to share our overall thoughts with you about this resort. Right now we are up in our room and we have a beautiful view out the back that we showed you earlier. We are on the 11th floor, and I will say that this view outside of the hotel is definitely one of the big perks for us. It is a absolutely stunning view, especially when it gets to be nighttime. When it comes to the resort, the location is phenomenal, so it's a very easy and short walk to that monorail station, and then very convenient to get to the theme parks from there. When it comes to restaurant choices, there were a ton of different options, so that is a really great amenity as well. And then the room does have a lot of space, which is nice, so it's a very big room. However, I will say it's a little bit dated. Everything was very clean, but when it just comes to aesthetics, you kind of saw that room tour, so just that to be aware of. But overall, we had an absolutely amazing stay here. Thank you so much for following along with us, and we can't wait to bring you on our next adventure.